Alright guys, so we are over here at Council's compound and we finally made it on time for once. We're going to go ahead and start. We've already pushed it inside the garage, this frame, and now we're going to go ahead and put the actually the body on top of the frame. And I just wanted to be here to make sure we get everything on camera. And we wrote this in here. So basically what we're going to have to do, we already just wrote the frame in. He's going to come in with the Bobcat and he's going to lift this up. So I'm going to set you guys down so y'all guys can see what's going on. Alright, so welcome back guys to Digging Dirt with CJ. Today we're back over at the Count's compound and we're looking at the Nomad. You guys saw the previous videos where we're at. It has been 4 months to the point that he's at now. And I'm just going to turn you guys around and we're going to go ahead and do a walkthrough and stuff. And this is going to be probably part 2 of the second series of Count's getting his Nomad together. So let's go ahead. So this is where we at here with the Nomad, guys. I mean, he has done a lot of work, so I'm gonna go over some of the things that he's done since the last video. I've been trying to keep you guys updated. All right, so he went on ahead and got all of his brakes and brake calipers and stuff. That's what he's been waiting on, his brakes, and also his wheels. Because he had to fabricate and make, like his rear brakes and stuff, he had to fabricate parts with these wheels that he wanted, because you just can't get, you know, any type of wheels for these Nomads, all right? So he went on ahead and put the windows in. He told me he also deleted the windshield wipers, because he said whoever has this vehicle, you know, they're not going to be driving this vehicle in the rain, okay? So he's done a custom dash and everything. Let's start with the front end with the tons injectors. He also made his cover plate here. He actually got a Speedmaster intake, okay? That's a Speedmaster. I'll show you guys that Speedmaster intake there system with his pulley system and everything. It's a CVF pulley system. And that's all nice and chrome. He actually got other pieces that's gonna cover this piece all the way up in here, so he won't have to hide the motor, all right? Because that's a pretty motor, isn't that sexy? So just little subtles, and you see what he does. He actually painted his covers just to hide the wires. All right, so you guys know he redid the frame. We're gonna do the wheels last. Then he came inside. He got that dyno skin inside here. He laid all that dyno skin all the way back there, guys. A lot of dyno skin, ain't it? All right, that's for his brake. He also got custom dashes that he made up here. All his custom dashes. You'd be surprised what he did with that. All right. Put some door poppers in. He already got his computer CPU up in there. He got his air conditioning and heat. All that stuff is fitted. All right. All right. Last time he didn't have his rear window in, so he went on ahead and put that bubble window in there. Got a shaved gas tank here. All right, and if you guys know anything about Nomads and stuff, he actually went and smoothed this piece here for the rear tail lights. I got that custom made up. Now I showed you guys the rear end on the last video, but we're gonna take another look at her. All right. See how he got the exhaust, custom exhaust. He cut the ports out there so they'll come through the back bumper instead of underneath the bumper. All right. Look at that. Y'all saw how slick that frame was underneath there too. All right. Now let's go ahead and look at these brakes he got here. Got custom brakes, custom wheels, Ferrari rims there. Look at that. He even got the custom big brakes on there. Got Counts Customs on there. Look at that. Subtle details. Oh man, I tell you, this is gonna be a nice ride. Look at that there. Counts Customs. Big brakes there, buddy. Custom wheels on there. All right. Then we got he got his other pieces back here that he's done, and he actually got some for on his door handles. That's the front fender there. He already got the chrome already painted, already buffed out. Custom latches. Look at these door handles he got on there. I think these come from a Cadillac. And that's the piece that go on the front of the radiator that he fabricated and made. I think I showed you guys that piece here in the last video. All right. Yeah, so this here is gonna, I mean, he got a lot of nice vehicles in here, as y'all see. But I think this is gonna be his masterpiece. Right here is gonna be his masterpiece. But let me tell you guys, and we still gotta do a couple of videos on some of these vehicles in here. Take you a quick ride there of his car. So if you guys see something that you want me to do a review on, you guys just leave comments down below, and we would do some we'll do and we can do one once a week if you want to. See here, just to get some light going on. Yeah, so if you guys see something in here that you want me to do a review on that I haven't done one yet, just leave a comment down below, and I'll get what counts, and we'll do a video on that. You know, he got gas pumps that we do, and that's what turned me on to my gas pumps and stuff. So custom signs, and he's done everything in here. And I put a little bit of elbow grease and helped him out with some of these things in here as well. So that's the only way I'm gonna learn. You know, that's the only way you're gonna learn by your trade is doing as much paint and body work as you can. And I learned pretty much 70% I've learned from Counts. So hey, this is gonna be, I just wanna make a quick video of what Counts is doing here in the garage. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share it. And if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Of course, you guys know it'll help me out a lot. So this is gonna be it for this video. Hey, and I hope you guys have been enjoying all of the Digging Dirt videos. So if you guys don't know, you can go to my playlist and go to Digging Dirt, which is my prospecting videos, and go ahead and look at that. Check those videos out too if you guys do not know that I actually been doing some prospecting. About a year ago, I told you guys that I got some other type of rusty gold, and that's what we've been doing. We've been doing some rusty gold. So I'll be putting out another video. I just finished up the 1977 Honda Matic, so we'll go ahead and put that video out as well. I got a lot of stuff going on, so it's hard for me to edit and do a lot of stuff, because right now I'm out in the field because it's nice weather outside. Because once it gets warm, once it gets cold, I'm not gonna have enough time to be working outside and stuff. So that's why I just been out there grinding, getting a lot of content that I possibly can. So, but I hope you guys been enjoying all the videos and stuff. And like I tell everybody, the adventure begins one pan at a time. And we've been doing a lot of pans, guys. So thanks for watching this video and checking me out next week. Talk to you guys later. Peace.